Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the first look of the Style Showdown stage and game mode. So you'll need a minimum of 6 players. I think that's the best chance you have at winning. But if you have more players, it's okay. Just play it for fun. And just keep playing. Honestly, it took me not that much to win a game. So here's the waiting room where you wait for people to join. You can do these obbies. I'm not very good at them though, if I'm being completely honest. Oh, okay, I guess I have to either go left or right. Okay, you have to go left on this one. Oh my god, you know what? I can't jump because I have fast walk on. So this is what will happen. There will be a cutscene. You can skip it if you'd like to. Most people tell you to skip because they've gone through this mode already. But if you played it and you don't want to skip, it's fine, I guess. But sometimes people will tell you to skip in the chat. Here you can buy an idol. This is for immunity. It's 99 Robux though, so I don't really suggest you buying it. See, someone told you is telling somebody else to skip. But if you just played and you want to see the cutscene, this is what it looks like. I guess somebody skipped. You'll be in another waiting room. It says the round theme is ... graced with pearls. Oh my god, okay. So you only have 30 minutes, and sometimes you get challenges in each round. What I suggest you doing is going here first to the skin color, and then I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look here. It is a little bit better if you do your custom makeup first somewhere else, in free play or something. Oh my gosh, everyone's here. I'm gonna do this kind of look. I don't know what I should do with the hair though. Let me use this one. Graced with pearls. Oh my god, yes, we have this dress. And then I'm gonna layer this too. I think I'm gonna change my skin color just cause why am I colored this way? Should I just do a normal skin color? Yeah. It's just why does that look... You know what? Maybe I should just do only chains. Yeah, okay, that looks pretty. Pretty cute. What should I wear for the shoes though? Okay, I'm gonna wear this one. Oh, I mean, her outfit's kind of similar, but I can't really do much about it. Oh my god, I have 40 seconds. No, I don't even have any skirt on. Should I use this one? Okay, that defeats the whole purpose, but... I'm gonna layer this too, with just a skirt. I don't know how I feel about that skirt. It looks like octopus, but whatever. Anyways, that is it for this video. I'm not going to go through the whole route, I guess. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.